Hi, it's Caro from the Energy Experts. I'm here with Don Dyer in beautiful Robertson. Thanks for having us to your home.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, it's gorgeous, especially on a day like today in the Highlands.
Classic autumn day.
Classic autumn day. Wouldn't it be nice if they were all like this?
300 mils of rain last week
Yes.
in 3 days.
Yeah, we did have a bit. Tell me, obviously your solar performance will be affected by low light and grey days, but overall, tell me with solar how it's performing for you and what sort of an impact it's having as far as how you're feeling and also how your electricity bills look.
Well, the electricity bills have certainly come down, not necessarily by a lot, but I can look at the graph each day and I can see what's been generated and what's been consumed. So we try and work the pumps and all the other devices around the place during sunlight hours. So we don't get paid for that power, but we don't pay for any either.
You're using it yourself?
Yes.
Yeah. And you were quite specific with where you wanted your panels because you've got obviously a really beautiful property here, and aesthetically there were places you didn't want them. So that's compromised a little bit on your yield, but the system, from what I can see, is also still producing really well.
Yes, it is, and your people went to a lot of trouble to meet our requirement of not being able to see the panels from the street or the front.
Yes, we wondered if we had the right house at first because we couldn't see any solar panels.
Well, it worked.
Good. And so has the system pretty much met your expectations?
Generally, yes.
Yeah. Because you've got quite high usage on the property with all the pumps to pump the water around the property and no doubt other things as well. Solar can only obviously go so far, but you installed really good quality equipment. You installed like a 10 kilowatt LG SolarEdge system, and batteries I imagine might be on the cards for you at some point soon.
Well, we've looked at it, but I'm not sure that it's economical at the moment.
Watch this space.
You're going to give me a quote, aren't you?
No. Not pushing for that at all. No, but it is slowly changing. The economics are starting to stack up. Yeah. Tell me, you installed you had a system installed originally. It was 8-10 years old when you had that installed.
Yes.
That obviously wasn't cutting the mustard as far as getting the bills down is concerned. Did you already know what to look for, or had things changed so much in the time since you had your original system installed to when the new system was installed that you were a little bit green?
We went to a fair amount of trouble to find out who and what we should deal with. And we eventually ended up with your people, and the outcome was good.
Terrific. Tell me about your experience with the Energy Experts. How have you found that?
Basically, that's you.
It is us.
Good. Johan?
Johan?
He's been helpful when we've had a couple of issues with the system. Been very prompt, very good.
Good. So good after-sales service.
Yes.
Oh, that's important. What would you say to other people who are considering installing solar but maybe sitting on their hands because perhaps they're confused or overwhelmed?
Talk to you.
Okay. That's a good answer. I could have paid you for that. But are there certain tips that you would give people in terms of quality or components?
Oh, look, first of all, you go for a name that's recognised and well known, and you go for people that you can refer to and be assured that you're going to get some quality work. You've got to do your homework, otherwise if you chase the cheapies, you'll pay for it.
It's a good way of putting it. Well, thanks so much for your time this afternoon. It's been beautiful seeing your lovely property, and you know that if you ever have any questions, you can always give us a call.
Well, tell me when it's time for a battery.
Okay.